Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing in action for quite some time. I recorded a video. It was supposed to be like a mukbang video in my car, but I don't know. I just felt like I was rambling on a lot. I don't know if y'all would feel entertained or not, so I didn't post it. But what do you think? Should I post it? I mean, it's a really bad video. It was terrible. Like, I went to try edit it, and I was like, probably they would like it because they would think it's funny that I look this rough and I just talking about, I don't even know. I talking about all kind of stuff. If you think I should post that video, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. But this video is going to be a hairstyle video because your girl has been looking a little rough this week, because this week I just been working on painting. I'm doing some other stuff in the house, and I didn't really get a chance to do my hair. So I finally decided, like, you know what? It's Friday, let your girl style it up just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. I got my lippie, my matte lipstick popping, you know, and then a little highlight, you know, nothing too dramatic, you know, nothing too dramatic. I got my big earrings going here. So I'm about to show you guys this quick hairstyle. It's super quick. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to wet your hair, and this is my finishing spray, but it's not really a finishing spray. It's just water. Like, I just put water in the hair, plain old water, and I spray it on my face to finish my face, and it works just fine. So I also use it for my hair too. So I just go ahead and I wet my hair just a little bit, because this is going to be a 2-in-1 style. It's going to be a protective style, and it's also going to be like a braid out. So on Sunday, I think I will be braiding it. I'll be braiding it out, taking out the braids. So you're just going to braid your hair. Twist it a little further down, like around right here, and I twist the ends. That way it's kind of easier to unravel, you know. I go ahead and I do the other side. So you just want to brush it in real nice, brush it nicely. And then you want to braid it going back, because I'm going to be pulling the hair up, so you don't want to. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? The weekend is here. What are y'all planning on doing for the weekend? Me, I just chilling. I probably gonna do a little more work because I wanted to finish some painting. So I probably gonna do a little painting over the weekend. Nothing much. I don't have any plans. Probably I might go to the movies. Not sure. What y'all doing? What y'all doing this weekend? Let me know, girl. Let me know in the comments down below, boo. Okay. Alright, so I'm done. Ooh, your girl got a little what? Right? Okay, so The next thing I'm going to be doing is you're going to braid the rest of your hair. I already went ahead and braided the rest of my hair. This is the rest of my hair braided, right? And I tried to do a little style with the parting, but I couldn't see nothing, and I didn't try to do it too neat. But I tried to do a little style. So this is how I braided my hair, right? Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your hair all up. You're going to put your hair, oh, I got my guns out. You're going to put your hair all up, because by all means, it's not a top knot if it's not all the way up. And then you're just going to tuck it in like so. But you want to neatly wrap the braids around it so that they don't get all messy. Okay. All right, and then it's time for me to lay my edges a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Because like I said, this style is very quick. So. Even after knowing you ain't gone, I know you and me are wrong. Still, I haven't left you, I haven't left you, I haven't left you, I haven't left you, I ain't never left you alone. Even after knowing you ain't gone, I know you and me are wrong. Still, I haven't. What's going to make this hairstyle super easy? It's a protective style because your ends are not out. They're selling these for less than 10 bucks. Right? You could get them for $5. I just go ahead and I put this on the top of my hair, like around right here. And I secure it in, and I pull the string, adjust it a little bit. Then the little piece, I go ahead and I tuck that in. Tuck it in so it don't show. And then I'm going to use 2 hairpins just to secure it in case it has like a really strong wind, and I don't want the strong wind to go in my bun or whatever. So I'm going to secure it in, right? And then fluff it out a little bit, and then yeah, that's it. But to do the top knot, you're just going to pull the hair out some more. Pull it out some more. And then you're going to bring the hair back. Like around right here. Right, like so. And then you're going to pin it down. If you want it really high, you fluff this out kind of higher, and then you would bring it like, okay, I like mine to be super high, kind of. So I'll fluff this out up to here, and then I would tuck it in like around here, and I pin it. Okay. And then you take this side, fluff it out a little bit, and then bring it back. Bring it back up to here. And pin it. And pin it, and then make sure you secure it really good. Make sure you secure it, especially the top, So I like to add a couple extra pins just to make sure it's in there. Good. And then if you wanted to take a few of the curls out, you can. Just take some of the curls out, let them hang, and you could adjust it how you want to. Take out a little bit of the curls, just let them look a little messy. Adjust it how you want to. But yeah, this would be the quickest way to do a top knot bun. Quick, super easy. So this is a braided top knot bun, right? Okay, braided curly top knot bun. And this is the final look. Super quick, and you don't have to mess with your hair or anything. Be a really quick protective style. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ciao. And that's the final thing. This was not supposed to be a 10-minute video. I don't know what happened. Well, have a good weekend, y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I will upload a video on Sunday, so stay tuned and click that bell so that you get all my notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next.